Well, everyone, you can see I got the garage doors open today. It's 70 degrees outside. It's going to be snowing and sleeting tomorrow. And I'm going to try to get this boat done today. Alright, so I forgot to add this to the video last week on how to carpet parts of your Jon Boat. I actually didn't even record this until earlier this week. So here it is. Just kind of putting this in here and with this video so that it can get out there to you guys. And hopefully the title will be adequately named so that you can tell that this part of this video is in here. So let's get going with it. Well, everyone, something I failed to mention before. I've got this side over here already stapled. When you're doing bigger ones like this, you're going to want to pull it tight just like that. And you want to use a pin roller and roll the carpet out to each one of the sides so that it gets nice and tight and glued. I found this technique when I did it the first time on my other boat, and it seemed to work out quite well. Well, everyone, at first I ended up buying, I bought these kind of hinges anyway. This is what I ended up using, but I bought the 1 1/16 of an inch for my 1/2 inch plywood. It ended up being a little too small. I thought it'd be great because these are actually a 1/2 inch. Each one of these pieces are a 1/2 inch almost, just barely over it. But I went back to the store, and here it is, a piece for this one. I ended up buying the 1 1/2 inch. I guess this is just a basic hinge. So these are going to be going right here on this side. I've done that side already. Here's the one that's cut out for what I'm about to do. This just makes the hinges, basically, it's going to hide away just like that, but farther down in there. Can't really see very well. It's pretty far away from me right now. But I'm going to go ahead and get these in there after a lot of trial and error on that side. I believe I have found the easy way to doing this. Now, my easy way to doing the solo was, I got my magnetic tray with all my screws in it. I'm going to set it over here out of camera because that's just where I'm going to have it at. But I'll cut this with, I actually use my grinder or my cutter tool on my grinder to cut these, and then I ground off the sides to get the sharp burrs off. So what I do is I open them up like this, and I'll set this hinge part right here just above the carpet level, and then I'm going to pull it back this way a little bit because on this side where my other hinges are going to go, there's going to be a space between the hinges here, and then I just want a space between the carpet on this, like right here, and this hinge, so it's not rubbing it all the time. So I'm going to set it probably about a 1/4 inch away from it. Open it up. Make sure the bend is right above the carpet. It looks like it's right above the carpet because when you screw it down, it's going to be right on the carpet. So I got a magnetic head on my drill, and it makes it a lot easier, especially one person doing this. The magnet's not very strong, but it's strong enough to do this. So I'm going to start with the center screw. There goes the center screw. And it's going to flex out that way. So I'm going to flex it down just a little bit, like 90 degrees. Make sure I'm quite even with my hinge level. And I'm going to go for it. Put all the rest of them in. And I'm going to start from the middle, and I'm going to work my way out. One this side, one this side, one this side, one this side. I'm just going to keep on going outside, outside. Now, I tried to put the hinge on the hatch first, and it didn't work out for me. It was very difficult to get in, or try to even get on here. I couldn't even do it. So this way is actually the better way that I've seen to do it. So I got it on there like that, fold it down. The hinge is exactly where I want it to be in relation to the carpet. being on here. And then the hatch is gonna go in like this way. I got this laying over my side here. And I got it pushed down. I'm pushing it down onto the carpet here with the hinge flat out. So I'm gonna put a screw on this. I'm gonna put one screw on each side just to make wood's not gonna break when I close it. Don't put all your screws in yet. Alright, so I got 3 screws in the top part. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test close it. As you can see, it's off. That's why you only put three screws in it at first. So I need to move the thing just a little bit that way. And I wasn't even that far off. Flat over there, I was perfect. Alright, so I got it realigned up just a little bit farther forward. Same steps goes, 1, 2, 3 screws, and test it again, see if it's good. Alright, now that I finally got the first 3 in, let's test fit it again. Fits perfect. I like it. So I'm going to pull it back open and put the rest of my screws in. And there we go. Nice, perfect fit. They're a little loose, a lot looser than I thought they were going to be. I have no plans for latches on these, right now at least, because the latches are going to cost me about $10 a piece. I guess it's another $40, it ain't too much, but I want to figure out how I want to do the latches, because the latches I want aren't going to work with these the way that I have them right now. So I'm going to have to figure out something. I do plan on putting backpack strap right here so that I can grab it and pull it right up. So to make that a little bit easier. Hey everyone, and thank you for watching this episode of Nick's Drive. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any content. Also, don't forget, if you like this video, please let me know by smashing that like button and comment down below to let me know how I'm doing.